Hello everyone. If you get up in the morning and you sneeze at least 10 to 12 times or much more than that, well, in my case it was minimum 25 times. And that was very maddening for me because it used to irritate me a lot. And I thought about what's the solution to it. So finally I found a solution and that's why I would like to share it with you all. I bought an air purifier and I don't know, miraculously everything just disappeared. I could not sneeze even once. And that was amazing. That was really amazing. So, if you have the same problem as me, please buy an air purifier. Well, I will show you what air purifier I use. So, this is the one which I use. It's a Philips air purifier. Well, it costed me 11 grams. But trust me, it's worth it. You'll feel more fresher once you get up in the morning. And yeah, go for it. Thank you.